shopping is super fun, but it can be tedious if you have a million options to choose from. And that's where I come in. Hi, I'm Sumita Majumdar, and today I'll be talking about GM 3-pin travel multi-plug. This multi-plug is no ordinary multi-plug. You can use it for traveling abroad. It comes with surge protection and indicator. It can be used in up to 150 countries. It gives a voltage of 240 volts and 60 Hz frequency. It is lightweight and portable, so that means you can carry it wherever you like. It is a very simple device with its very
we have some information here. So first of all, this is what this particular quadra plug looks like. You will notice that there are two 3-pin sockets here and two 2-pin sockets. From the image itself, I will obviously give you a closer look. Some specifications are mentioned here. It says this is a universal socket. It comes with rocker switch, LED on-off indicator, and a sleek design. And you have some applications mentioned. This is good for home application, computers and laptops, precious instruments, TV, DVD, VCD player, and also sensitive electronic equipment. And it supports a power of 1500 watts and can operate on 240 volts of electricity, which is pretty standard. And this is it. I will open this and show you what's inside. And there you go. This is what the quadra plug looks like. This is the part that will go into the wall socket. Make sure you have a 3-pin wall socket, of course. And it's made